Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth with Crafty Liz Creations. Thank you for joining my channel. Thank you for watching. Today I'll be showing you how to make a chain petal. Okay, so you get a 10 by 10 cut deco mess, curve side up, turn it into a diamond, and you fold this over. You take these tips and fold them over. Here you can grab pins to hold these. And you fold it over again. Actually, put your pin right there. And you fold it over. Okay. And you flip it over like that. Make sure these edges are meeting together. Same, make sure these tips are lined up over here. And you clip it right there. Okay. And I'll grab another color. This is a white deco mist, cut at 10 by 10. I put in curve side up, turn it into a diamond, and put this over here. And I grab this and put it just under that end there. And I fold it over again. And here I clip them, making sure these are lined up right there. And I flip this over. And this is where I clip them. Make sure they're lined up over here. And this is where I clip them. Okay, and you grab your purple one. And I grab my white one. This is what I do to make the chain petal. So I just wrap this around. Okay, and I clip it right there. And that's the Daisy link petal. Okay, I'll show you again one more time. So I grab a 10 by 10 cut, two of them, fold it over, fold it just under that line up there, fold it again, and here I clip them. Make sure these are lined up, and they are. Take these off. That's one. Did the other one. Fold it over. And fold again. Okay, and I grab these, and I wrap this one around the white one. Okay, and I scrunch there, pin it, and there's your daisy chain petal. Okay, again, thank you all for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos like this.